This is a 2010 Chrysler Town & Country. This minivan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.8-liter V6. All of the following features are included: commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, brake assistance technology, front and rear side curtain airbags, a power driver's seat, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 31,000 miles. This Chrysler has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Premier Cape Cod is conveniently located at 460 Yarmouth Road in Hyannis. Contact us today to find out about our financing specials or visit us at premiercapecod.com.